Jesus. Kami po ay mag-aaral. Sana po matuto ng marami si Paul. Yung tone and mood ang pag-aaralan natin. In literary text, tone is used to describe the attitude of the author towards subject, character, or audience. The following are some attitudes that can help determine the tone. Happy, when the writer sounds cheerful. Sad, when the writer seems down or unhappy. Ano yung happy?
Masaya.
Oo nga, when the writer
Writer
sounds
sounds
what? When the writer sounds